My niece, she rang me. Oh, wait lang. Baka may work na host. Can you lend me 10 pesos so I can start paying you? Sure. It's only $5. 5 pesos. Yan. Oh, hala, uminit na naman. Uminit na naman ang aking phone ay uminit. Parang may kalayo. You know what is kalayo? Fire. Kalayo is fire. It's on fire, fire. Salamat sa ating 5, sometimes 14. May mga mumu na napasok. Maraming salamat sa pag ano, mga viewers lang yan ni YT. Mapasok. Matik yan. Kinay ko. Good morning people. Sana ay magtamsakan tayo. Ay, sabi ko na nga si Manay Owa. Thank you, Manay Owa. Manay Owa, maraming salamat sa yung patamsak dyan. When will you go USA to visit your sister? I don't know. You know, Tomaris, I don't plan the trip and travel is not by plan. I don't know. I don't plan anything because I know that I know myself. I don't have that kind of money. I don't have that kind of new upload. Okay, I don't have that. You know, money and but I just wait what is plans God's plan for me. Never ever in my dreams that I could I could travel to Europe. That's the impossible for me because expensive. I cannot understand what's going on to my life. Even New Zealand, even trip to Hong Kong and other country. I really don't know. I never ever planned for that. Never, honestly. So I could not say where and when because I just wait until what God's where He gonna take me. Di ba? Di ba? Almost in Nanay said hi. At salamat manay ko. Not my decision. Hopefully, we can go to that. She live in Las Vegas. I have so many relatives live in U.S. United America, United America. Plus the U.S. If I go to U.S., maybe I can cross over to to Canada because I have so many relatives in Canada waiting for me too. Waiting for me. I just smile if they ask me, Canada next, Canada next. I said, okay, we'll see. See you there then. See you there, but I don't know when. I don't know